All right, Hoopers, welcome back to part 3 of this 5-part series. This portion of the combo is gonna look something like this. All right, so let's break that down. So we're gonna take our hoop out into our dominant hand. We're gonna be facing over to our opposite side. We're gonna go into a C roll, extend your arms out like this. You're gonna have the hoop over to a 45-degree angle, aim towards your opposite shoulder, release and catch. So we're here and here. Now we're going to go into a fold, and we're just going to fold the hoop over 1.5 times. So we're here, let it drop 1.5 times, and you should be in this position right here. Take your dominant hand and you're going to grab the opposite side of the hoop. You're going to re-grip your opposite hand and just grab the hoop with your palm facing the front. And we're just going to go into this turning isolation. Pretty much what you're doing is just turning the hoop and maintaining this single frame right here. So bringing your hands forward and back as if you are spinning a wheel. So do this a couple of times, really trying to maintain that single frame. And you're going to stop when your hands are across like this. I'm gonna have my dominant hand closer to me and my opposite hand furthest away. And you're just going to pull the hoop and just like flick the hoop so it does a little bounce like this. So it's just a little tug and release. So let's go over that one more time. We're gonna go into a C roll, fold the hoop down 1.5 times. We're gonna go into that isolating wheel move. Once our hands are across from each other, you're just going to pull, tug, and flick. From here, we're gonna bring the hoop all the way behind us and let the hoop land on our back just like this. We're gonna fold the hoop down in front of us just by windshield wiping the hoop down and over us. Then we're going to lift up our opposite leg and we're just going to slap the hoop down by hinging the hoop forward, lifting up our leg and releasing and pushing into that crevice that you create as you lift up your leg. So it's gonna look something like this. We're here, and you're just going to keep your leg up and bent like this so that the hoop creates a bit of a trap in between your thigh and your hip. So from the wheel, we were here, turn, 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 across, flick. We're gonna bring the hoop around, fold down. You're going to lift up your opposite leg. You're going to fold and slap the hoop here. And then once the hoop is swinging back up, you're going to trap the hoop in between your legs and you're going to stomp your foot down. So we're here, stomp it down. So now the hoop is trapped in between your legs like this, and you're just going to push very lightly over to your opposite side, and you're gonna release your grip on your left leg. So we're gonna push the hoop over to our opposite side. It's gonna create some momentum very lightly, and the hoop is going to lean up against your dominant leg, and you're just going to open up your leg and catch over on your dominant side. So if we were here, swing it behind, fold down, lift up your opposite leg, slap the hoop down. As it's on that rebound swing up, plant your leg back down. You're going to push the hoop with your opposite leg, and you're just going to catch over on your dominant side. So this portion of the move is gonna look something like this. And the move in its entirety is going to look something like this. Hoopers, so if you have not seen any of the previous videos for this move, Be sure to check those all out. I'm gonna link them all in a playlist so that you can follow from the beginning. Again, feel free to just take any portion of this move and make it your own. If you want to go into any other type of move or you feel called to do another combo, please, by all means. This is just giving you different ways to connect different moves and give you different ideas of how to get in and out of some moves. All right, Hoopers, so I will see you in the next video for part 4.